Hi, it's Cameron here from Capital Machinery with a range of dry blasting cabinets. This high quality range of blasting equipment is suitable for commercial applications. The cabinets are built with an integrated filtration system which filters out the dust from the blasting chamber. This is a pressurised system for consistent and reliable blasting. For the filtration system, there are also two options. There's a self-contained drum-type filtration system where the filter needs to be cleaned manually, and a reverse pulse filtration system which cleans the filters automatically. This machine is Australian designed and manufactured using heavy-duty steel plate for long-lasting durability, with a roving pneumatic foot pedal which can be manoeuvred for easy operation, a glass laminated viewing window. The machine requires compressed air and 240-volt single-phase power. The cabinet has two large 18-watt fluorescent lights lighting up the entire blast area. The blast line is connected with a tungsten carbide blast nozzle. The cabinet loading door is fitted with a pneumatic safety switch which shuts down the machine if the door is open during the blasting cycle. You can order online or contact us for more information.